Crab ghee roast is one of the easiest and tastiest recipes that you can make at home. Firstly, let's clean the crabs and ensure that you cut off the edges of the crab so that the crab gets the flavor of the masala. Now let's take some cumin seeds, coriander seeds, peppercorns, red chilies and fennel seed is required, but I have used the powder instead. Now let's dry roast them until it turns slightly brown. Once done, we'll transfer it to a mixer along with garlic, ginger, jaggery, fennel seed powder, lime juice and grind until it turns into a paste. Heat a frying pan and add ghee along with some chopped onions, salt, curry leaves and wait until it turns golden brown. Now add the paste and cook until the ghee separates. Add the crab and cook for 15 minutes on medium flame. One thing to keep in mind is do not overcook. It's ready to serve. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe for more.